Got another lesson for you from Machine Gun Kelly's new album, Tickets to My Downfall. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Lonely. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So the intro and verse start on an A major chord. So for this, you're going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. Then you're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string and keep the bar on the 2nd fret in place. Then you're going to slide up to the 6th fret of the G string from the 4th fret while strumming the D string at the same time. Then we're going to go down to the 4th fret of the G string, 2nd fret G string, then back up to the 6th fret. Then you're going to bend the 6th fret of the G string up and back down. Then 4th fret G string, 2nd fret G string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is an F sharp minor chord. So you're going to place your ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string and your pointer finger on the 7th fret of the D string. Next is an E major chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 7th fret of the A string and your pointer finger on the 6th fret of the D string. Next is an A major chord. So you're just going to take the E major chord and move it up to the 12th fret. And then last is a D major chord. So you're just going to take the A major chord and move it down to the 5th fret. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus. This is made up of 5 chords, the first of which is a D major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 7th fret. Next is an A major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the G string. Next is a B minor chord. So you're going to bar the 7th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the D string. Next is an F sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 9th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 11th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 11th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 10th fret of the B string. Then we're going to go to an E major chord. So you're just going to take the D major chord and move it up 2 frets. Then we're going to go back to the D major chord, A major, B minor. Then we're going to go to an A major with a C sharp bass. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the 9th fret of the low E string, your pinky finger on the 12th fret of the A string, and your ring finger on the 11th fret of the D string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the bridge. The bridge is the same as the pre-chorus. The rhythm is just different. It sounds like this. Now, the last part I want to go over is the second chorus. It's pretty much the same as the first chorus, except instead of going to the A with the C sharp bass for the last chord, we're going to go to a C sharp minor chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 9th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 11th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 11th fret of the D string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Lonely. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.